Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best garden spade shovels in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Root Assassin RE001 Carbon Steel Shovel. The RE001 is constructed and designed to produce the best results regardless of the nature of the task. Thanks to its innovative features, the shovel acts as a multi-purpose tool and will tackle special tasks that a traditional shovel will not handle. Unlike standard shovels, the RE001's carbon steel blade features a curved tip that gives you maximum leverage, making it possible to dig deeper and cut through the toughest obstacles. The edges of the blade are serrated with over 16 sharp teeth that can cut through pesky roots, stumps, and weed with ease. The shovel is also designed to feel comfortable on your hands. It has a grip at the top and middle of the handle. Although the aluminum handle is heavy-duty, it is lightweight and will not wear out or rust like traditional shovels. Moreover, its rubber coating will give you more grip and leverage when dealing with tough gardening tasks. With the innovative wing design on the blade, you can work more efficiently with the shovel. First, the design lets you carry more soil with a single scoop. Secondly, it will decrease the amount that would normally spill through the sides. Also, it gives more room for your foot as you push the shovel deeper into the ground. Number 2. Our second best pick is Spear & Amp Jackson 4454 BS Garden Spade. Spear & Amp Jackson has been selling hand tools since 1970, and their products are manufactured to a high-quality standard. Their Spear & Amp Jackson 4454 BS Garden Spade does not disappoint either. It is well built with a fine finish. The head is made from mirror-polished stainless steel that guarantees durability while also being rust-resistant. And the blade allows for minimal soil adhesion, making it easy for you to clean. Additionally, the shaft is made from weatherproofed hardwood that is not only durable but also feels light in your hands. The lightweight feature enables you to direct your strength where it's needed most for those tough gardening tasks. It also makes the spade perfect for senior citizens, kids, and ladies who prefer lighter and smaller frames. The Spear & Amp Jackson 4454 BS comes with a smaller blade that makes it easier for you to dig in confined areas. It is less cumbersome than the average digging spade, enabling you to work between plants or closely planted flowers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Spearhead Spade Gardening Shovel SHFD3. The Spearhead Spade SHFD3 features a high-carbon manganese steel that performs better than your average shovel. Its spearhead profile allows you to burrow its head into the soil with ease, making those tough digging tasks less stressful. The extra-strong reinforced fiberglass handle will not wear down with the weather and will absorb shocks and vibrations when you're battling with dense surfaces. Moreover, the ear-shaped footrest is wider than normal, and you can push it down with your foot with less hassle. Whether you're digging in dense clay soil or hard rocky soil, this blade will get the job done. Additionally, it is coated with a unique epoxy powder that reduces friction when penetrating through the soil. This also makes it easier to clean the blade. Interestingly, it also allows your blade to get sharper through continuous use. This blade may not be cheap, but it is worth its weight in gold. It would be the perfect gift for anyone who needs extra power, like senior citizens and children. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade is uniquely designed to perform various tasks that a standard spade cannot handle. It works as a digging spade, root cutter, and shovel. And its unique design allows you to direct your power into the soil, where it is needed most. The head is shaped like an arrowhead, making it easier to push the blade into the ground, especially in hard rocky soil, dense clay, or any other tough environment. The blade also features a serrated edge that will allow you to cut through tough roots and sod with ease. The handle is made from reinforced fiberglass and is designed to give you more power and control when digging. It is also lightweight and ergonomically designed to provide more grip. Additionally, it incorporates 2 sets of grips that offer you more control and flexibility when doing less demanding tasks such as edging or heavy-duty tasks like digging up stumps. Overall, the Roamwild multi-digger garden spade is well built with high-quality materials that guarantee its durability. However, it is not as light as expected and will not fare well in tough soils. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Truper 33174, True Pro Garden Spade. Truper is a Mexican company that has been manufacturing hand tools for over 40 years. The Truper 33174 is a contractor-grade garden spade with high-quality features. The Truper 33174 features good length and solid construction. It is 45 inches long and is one of the longest spades on our list. Therefore, it causes less strain on your back compared to short-handled spades. However, the handle may be too long for some people. The head is made from 14-gauge steel to provide maximum toughness and durability. Additionally, the handle is made from American ash for maximum resistance and flexibility, and the heavy-duty extended socket is riveted to provide a solid handle connection. The Truper can handle a wide variety of gardening tasks, from edging your lawn to digging trenches. However, the spade may not handle various tough jobs, and you may need to buy one with a better build. It is best suited for performing lighter duties, especially those that require you to get into some hard-to-reach areas. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.